Right, so hello everyone, today I'm doing test at my dad's workplace. Like 4 points here and panels here. I'm gonna give I'm gonna wait for a second until it hits 12, like 10 minutes past 12. And it's 12 right now, so yeah, see you in a second, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna get ready. I don't know why it's on. And then I guess I'm gonna see you after the intro. Now when you're back, this does have a sounder, that has a sounder. Or maybe this has a sounder, I don't remember. The one in here doesn't have a sounder. Yep, and then we're ready. Ignore my hand shaking. It's just, yep. We're gonna press it in a second. I just wanted to tell you what we have in the system. Fake Pro panel, fake detector sounder, fake detector in here. And then we upstairs has the culprit. Oh, and we can't forget the culprit down there. But yep, I'm gonna press it in. I'm gonna press the culprit, this fake culprit. Yep. And then I'm gonna reset it. Alright, now we're gonna reset the panel. I mean, not reset the panel, reset the culprit. Reset system, and then that's that. This isn't gonna be like normal testings, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.